First Lady of First State Airgun getting geared up, ready for her skydive adventure.
Hey, Karen. Looks like you got a jumpsuit on there. What's that for?
Hey everybody, I'm going skydiving today. Skydive Chesapeake, celebrating my birthday, doing all kinds of things this weekend that I've never done. So it's adventure weekend and I'm ready to get this going on. Woo!
Sounds great. Well, we got a beautiful day for it, so let's make our way to the plane.
All right.
Here, bud. Come on. Gotta come with me. Gotcha. And this is the moment we start our journey to 13,500 feet. I was able to go for the ride in the passenger front seat. I did not jump.